sunshine all week long here in the Bay. 75 and climbing.
Okay, Maya, listen to this report I just saw this morning. Humans are now on track to spend 14 years of our lives staring at a smartphone.
14 years? Are you serious?
I wish I were kidding. Average screen time is almost 5 hours a day. Scientists even have a name for this phenomenon. They're calling it the mania.
The mania?
Yeah, I know, it sounds crazy. Even young parents are losing precious time with their kids. Seems like all of us feel the urge to check our phones every 5 minutes.
Now I'm feeling overwhelmed.
Okay, well, luckily it's not all bad news. The report goes on to talk about a growing movement among outdoor enthusiasts. Many of them practice daily nature rituals that help keep them grounded in what they say, quote, actually matters. And apparently, they are much less affected by the mania. They also seem to retain their souls in higher quantities than those who struggle to step away from their devices.
Then maybe the question we should be asking is, can the people who are already afflicted by the mania be saved? Can they be turned around?
I wasn't going to tell you, but I'm glad you figured it out. Do you want some sunscreen?